This is my automotive kit. This is what I'm going to use in the garage to work on my 78 C20, my 97 Camaro Z28, and some of it possibly 2018 Impala Premier. Here's what we got. The star of the show is the 78 Automotive Meter. It does dwell angles, RPM. Now one is old style distributors versus distributorless ignitions, which is one fire. I don't remember which is which, but one fire per RPM and one fire per 2 RPMs. So there you go. It does all this. I don't think, other than pulse width, which I don't have, you always need a second meter. The 87V will do everything I need except pulse width. And this thing, when it's flashing like that, it's showing the temperature internally. But if you plug in one of the thermocouples, it don't flash. It just shows you the temperature. So, then the next thing, ADI 410 clamp. It's good for checking starter draw and, such things like that. RPM 80. That's the inductant pickup for spark plug wires and stuff like that. Then we got an 80T/IR. No, your what do you call it? Your modern temperature guns do that. But this is how you used to do it back in the day. You'd use this for checking exhaust manifolds or headers to see which one was cooler than the rest or hotter than the rest. If it's cooler than the rest, it's either not getting fuel or not getting spark or something like that. That's what those do. Got the book for the meter. You have to have a physical book. You can't use PDFs for everything. They're irritating as hell. Now this, I've got a set of ProbeMasters I got from them. They're 10 foot long. So what I'm going to get about 17, 18 foot worth of reach. You need this for checking fuel pumps and such. If you've ever had to check a fuel pump at the back of a car, but compare it to the battery at the front of a car, you'll understand why this is a thing. Both meters have a set of 48-inch, 4-foot leads to them. The normal leads, that's what I want. Nice safety shrouded and all. Sometimes you need these. They're the retractable shroud. The reason I have those is because every once in a while you need unshrouded plugs. These will do that, but normally they will stay there, keep you safe. On the booklet, I've got the two probes matched to each meter. This is all the stuff that goes with the ProbeMaster lead specifically in their threaded thing. And this is something I've had for years and years. These are the Mueller slide-on things. Look at that one. That one's a magnet. It's great. They're awesome. Now these slide-on ones, I posted in another video. They fit ProbeMasters, they fit Flukes, they fit Muellers, they fit everything. So that's why I have these. So I've got every damn thing I need to do any of this stuff. Alright, y'all. ADI 410. See, you'll see online the ADI-400. That one only does AC. I need DC. So ADI 410, RPM 80. That infrared meter. All this stuff is glorious. Oh, wait a minute. And the other thing the 78 does is most meters got that 32 division bar graph. This one's got 64. Just like a 76, 78, 79 Series 2, 79 Series 3 all have that bar graph. So this right here, I have a bag, every bit of this fits in, but this is the automotive kit, man. Fix my C20, my Z28, my Impala Premier. Alright, y'all. Y'all have a good one.